ape face on his new Harley. What do you do? Now go, go, go. Now, it might need a new clutch.
Your pain. If everything is coming your way, you're facing the wrong lane. Bullet head, bomb the moon until you're crazy dead. Bullet head, got a different kind of true. Bullet head, yes you are in danger. I drive just like you. How many roads must a man walk down before he admits he's lost? And do you really, really drive this way just to piss me off? Boldly going nowhere, trouble busting through. Yeah, I'm rolling slowly, but I'm ahead of you. Bullet head, bomb the moon until you're crazy dead. Bullet head, got a different kind of true. Bullet head, yes you are in danger. I drive just like you. Well, I'm a love on the run, baby. Well, I'm a bullet head. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. Well, I'm a bullet head.
Okay, so what are we doing today?
We are putting the gas tank on now that we know we have the right throttle connection.
Allegedly. Seems to be snapping back into place. I guess we'll find out when we start it and it revs to about 4,500 RPMs and takes off into a wall.
Yeah.
And that's why it's good to have little hands, as you can get in. You can get into those spaces. My gorilla hands won't get in there.
Okay, that's good.
Does it feel good?
Mm-hmm.
Excellent. Okay. You got the emissions line hooked up. Tyler's dropping wrenches. Okay, so there it is. There it is. Almost done. Okay, now what are we doing?
We filled it with
Can you
oil.
come over in the camera?
We filled it with oil, and now we're gonna fill it with gas. And then we're gonna attach the seat.
And then we're gonna attempt to give it its first fire up.
Yeah.
We're gonna
Fingers
give it
crossed.
its shakedown run. I mean, fingers crossed. Do you think I don't know what I'm doing? Fingers crossed.
I'm just saying, I don't want it to like if the throttle cable.
If we do, I'll get it on video. And really,
Put it on
there's
live.
not much more important than that, is there?
Put it on live leaks.
Live leaks. Mini bike does 40 miles an hour into lilac bushes.
Into the fence.
Alright, let's gas it up. Hold that.
I think you have to put that thing, the white one.
Then take a few for the start.
Finally!
Fair enough.